What's up? Vihaan from Varts here. Today I tried character design. So roll the intro. So first I think I should start with the guidelines. So I'm going to draw an angled rectangle for the body. I think this is too angled, so I'll erase it. I want this character to wear shorts, so I'm going to make a small rectangle. I think this looks good, so for the next step we'll do the legs. Now the shoes. So I want to add hands, so I will add.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
No, it's funny, but if you like the video until now, hit the like button down below, and if you want more videos like that, click the subscribe button down below. And if you want to learn how to draw a landscape, click the info card right over here. And this is Vihaan from Varts. Peace.